morning. It's Kurt with Outer Beaches Realty, Hatteras Island, North Carolina. Out here on the beach at the end of Tiger Run Boulevard in Avon. And over my shoulder here is Avon Pier. And as you can see, the swell height has increased once again. We're looking at 8 to 10 foot swell. The wind is still pretty light though, coming out of the southeast, about like 10 to 15 miles per hour. It's definitely going to pick up throughout the day. We're already starting to see the banding effect of Hurricane Irene's outer bands. So right above us, we're starting to finally see some of her clouds. Anyway, we go ahead and zip it up and give you guys a little view of the beach. Check it out. Now, what we're seeing right now are just the very outer bands. Usually no rain in these, but I think in about an hour or two we're going to start seeing actual rain bands. See that eerie storm fog. It's basically just ocean mist, kind of settles in between the dunes. Thanks for watching. It's Kurt with Outer Beaches Realty. Check back for more updates. Take care.